Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add or place an image into text in Adobe Photoshop. We'll be doing the simplest method for this, and once finished, the image you have chosen will only appear where the text is for a stylish text fill. Make sure you have your image ready and that you know where it is stored on your PC, and you can begin to type out the text you want to add the image into. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. Load up Photoshop and first type in the text you want to use. You'll likely want to choose quite a bold text for the best effect, otherwise the image won't show through very well. Place the text where you want it to be on the design. For this example, we're leaving it centered as the text will be the only element. Now find where you stored your image and drag it into Photoshop. Hit the Enter key to confirm the transformation, or feel free to adjust the size and positioning of the image, although this can be done later if you need to. With the image added, make sure it is in the layer one above the text. You can drag it to this place in the Layers panel if it isn't there automatically. All you need to do now is right-click on the Images layer in the Layers panel and choose Create Clipping Mask from the list. You should now see the image showing, but only where the text is. You can use the Control key or Command on a Mac and the T key shortcut to adjust the size of the image now. And so that is the simplest way to add or place an image into text in Adobe Photoshop. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. Those methods should work on nearly all versions of Windows. Help support the channel by visiting the store. The link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.